Hello guys and welcome back to my Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys how to fix unable to add crossplay friends in 2K24 or just unable to play with them. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to features, you're going to go to settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see crossplay. Right there, you're going to make sure that it is enabled. You can just press X, whatever. Once it is enabled, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the menu and you're going to press L1 R1. Now what you're going to do is you're basically going to go to friends, and instead of the PlayStation Network friends, you're going to go to add 2K friend, and you're going to first make sure that, well, the person you're trying to play with is added, and you're going to make sure that they are appearing online. Whether that be on whatever console that they're on, just make sure that they're appearing online, that they're in like 2K, like they're on 2K, like they're in the game is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, so now once that is done, you should be able to see them on add 2K friend and just friends in general. And you guys should be good to go. So yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.